How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Shout out to everybody on the channel right now. Nothing but massive love and respect to everybody who's been watching the videos, learning, growing every day. And now this video is going to take everything to the next level. We're going to learn about how to use the app Discord. So no time to waste, got to get to it. On the bottom right-hand corner, you're going to be able to navigate your main account. So on the top left, I can change the photo, my profile picture on the top left. If I want to change the account settings, right, I can change the password. This is just your basic settings for any account on any app. Now the next is your recent mentions. This is basically everything that just recently happened, and you'll be able to navigate through and see where all the messages are. Next is the middle. So this is the search. You'll be able to search anybody's name. So for example, if I search up my man Drew, I'll be able to either call him, and I'll be able to even add him to another group as well, and I can either do a video call as well. Now we're on to friends. So you can send a friend request to anybody, they're gonna accept you. Now they're gonna be here. They're gonna be in basically your friends list. And now you'll be able to either call them, message them easy, and you can also add them to groups. On the top right, if you wanna add somebody, all you have to do is search their username, which includes the hashtag and their 4-digit number, and then you can now send them a friend request. Also, you can click on the top right and you click on copy, and you'll be able to send the link out to anybody. And last but definitely not least, this is the most important page. This is basically the home page. You'll be able to send out personal messages from here. If you want to create a server or join a server, you'll be able to navigate that through here. I'm going to click on Money Moves Only Global. That's the server I'm currently in. As you can see, there's multiple different, so to say, chats, but they're not really chats. Some of them are just information that you need. So for example, on the bottom, it says channel is read only. You'll be able to navigate through so many different things in just one server, but it has multiple different channels and chats for you to communicate with anyone in your business, anyone around the world. Discord, it just has that organization that we need to go to the next level. So for example, let's say if I go to a chat, you're gonna be able to drop any photos. Here's the thing, you won't be able to send anything longer than 5 seconds as a video. That's one thing I learned about Discord. On the right side, you'll be able to put emojis. On the top right, if you'll be able to navigate who's online, who's offline, who has roles, and you'll be able to click on the settings as well of the chat, and you'll see like what is the purpose of the chat. Very, very unique. Now you click on the search. If you want to search somebody in the chat, you can do so as well. If you want to pin something, you can just click on the pin. If you want to invite somebody to the chat, you click on invite members. So everything is here. It's really self-explanatory. It's going to take maybe a day or two to get used to, but I promise you, this is the app that is going to take everything to the next level. Make sure you put this app next to Instagram so that way you're always staying plugged in with the family. Ladies and gentlemen, our success is right here. It's actually already done.